Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm alive. My hair is different. If you don't follow me on Instagram or TikTok, orange. I was inspired by Rihanna. If you don't remember me, if you don't know me, my name is Jenny. I like to review things here on YouTube, or I used to review things here on YouTube. I'm back. Awkward. We're gonna get it over with. I finally finished grad school, so now I have time to do whatever I want. Backtrack, let me tell you a little story. This is what happened. I finished grad school. I went to brunch. I celebrated a little too hard. I fell. Your girl was wearing her Apple Watch Series 3 that day, and unfortunately, the Apple Watch did not make it. This is what we were left with. My Apple Watch was my baby. I even wore it to sleep every day to track my sleep, of course. And since it's such an old Apple Watch, it would have costed more money to get it fixed than buying a new one, a used one of the same kind. My dad helped me pay for a brand new Series 6 Apple Watch as a graduation present. I got my master's. I'm very proud of myself. I never thought I would, but here we are. Today we're unboxing an Apple Watch. I am obsessed with Julia K. Christ's Apple Watch unboxings, iPad, her Apple product unboxings. So this is Julia K. Christ inspired. We're gonna unbox this.
Who do I call if it ain't you? Tell me who to call if it ain't you. I've been pacing circles in my bed.
Inside of the slim box came the new pistachio braided solo loop band. I got the size 5. When you're buying the product off of Apple's website, they give you a little measuring tape that you can print out, or other ways that you can measure your wrist so you can figure out what size you are. And I got it to the exact size that it told me, because with this orange hair, only green matches. Here is the pistachio band, very stretchy, size 5. The Apple Watch I chose was the 40mm in the color gold. The Apple Watch comes with the charger. I'm not going to take this one out of the box because I do still have the old charger and that works just fine. Until that one breaks, then I will remove this one from the box. Here she is. When I ordered this online, I also ordered screen protectors on Amazon, you know, because I'm traumatized. And I got this one called Armor Suit. I will link it down below, not because I'm recommending it, but because it is what I got. I hate it. Like, it's not working for me. It comes with 6 different screen protectors, so in case you want to replace it and stuff, they just don't stay. I've literally attempted to put 4 of them on there, and within the 20 minutes they start to peel off. Like, this is already peeling on the edges. I don't know if you can see. Peeling on the edges. Without even setting up my Apple Watch, it's already peeling, so don't recommend. 10/10 don't recommend. We're gonna set up the Apple Watch now, and we're gonna put on the band. Turning it on. Like I said, don't recommend these screen protectors. I'm definitely gonna go to Five Below and buy another one because all my screen protectors are from Five Below and I love it. So once I set up my Apple Watch, I also chose the color pistachio to go with the band. With this orange hair, green looks best, but look at how it looks. I'm obsessed with it. I hate the screen protector, but I need to have it on for now. Pistachio colored font for my Apple Watch. I am gonna start running. Video coming soon, Couch to 5K. If you guys know what that is, I'm gonna start working my way up to a 5K, and this Apple Watch is gonna keep track of that, baby. These are all the bands that I had with my previous Apple Watch. So I had white, I had the pink, but I can't find it, and I have this one from Shein and an orange one. But here's the disaster and all the cute bands that I like. This is it. I just wanted to unbox my Apple Watch and tell you guys that I'm back. It's probably going to be the shortest video I've ever made. Probably less than 3 minutes. But thank you guys for watching. I'm really excited about my Apple Watch. If you are a student or you just graduated and your student email still works, you can get the student discount for Apple, which is awesome. That's what I did. And yeah. Ooh, texts! Take 42. Editing Jenny here. Trying not to mess up the audio. But I'm usually not this much of a slob. I'm packing my bags. I felt like I didn't finish this video correctly. I wanted to show you what ended up happening. I ended up returning the screen protectors that didn't work and getting this cap. It's like a cap that covers the screen and the sides, and it shows the rose gold. And it's a pack of 2. I will link it down below, and it's been wonders. I've gone swimming with it. The only thing is water gets trapped in between, and you highly recommend popping it off, wiping it down, putting it back. That's it. Other than that, I wanted to say thank you so much to everyone who's stuck around on my channel, who's watched all my videos through everything and me going AWOL, and I just love you guys so much. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Stay beautiful. I love you. Peace.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see